throttle actuators finally went on the E92 M3 a little earlier than I expected at about 54,500 miles. So I'm here at Wile Motorsport. I just picked up new throttle actuators through FCP Euro. The reason I went through FCP is because they have a lifetime warranty on all of their parts. So if for whatever reason I have this car for another 60 or 100,000 miles and these go, FCP, I'm coming for you because you're giving me new throttle actuators. Behind me, we've got the car torn down and ready to go. So if you're curious how to do this, this is not a DIY, but I want to give you a little understanding of what's in there. If you do want a DIY, check the link in the card because there's a guy who did an amazing job, and if you really want to do this yourself, that's the way to do it. There's two ways to do this job. Either you buy new throttle actuators or you buy the $110 kit from like Pelican Parts, and they'll send you the gears, because typically what goes wrong on the throttle actuators are the gears. They strip and then you're toast because they're just plastic. Now, a lot of people think that's a garbage design by BMW, but what I think is that they're plastic for safety. So in the event that something terrible happens, they will strip before it unintendedly accelerates into a wall and kills you. So, that out of the way, let's install the actuators. Yeah, so the only difference between this and the BMW one is if you flip it over, it doesn't have the BMW stamp right here, and it's just a sticker even.
Yeah, it's just a sticker.
Yeah. That's a wrap on the throttle actuators. Good for another, hopefully, 60,000 miles. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you're in the Boston area and you need some fun BMW stuff done, come on down to Wile Motorsport in Walpole, Massachusetts. Thanks again, Jake and Evan. Much appreciated. Woohoo!